Okay, Roger here. Today we're going to start the Catio for my crazy cat lady friend. So that's the side laid out, other side laid out, and over here is the front. So I have that all set up, ready to go. My wood here, and some on the radial arm saw ready to go. It's the first cut, so we'll make sure we're cutting straight. Perfect. We'll cut a few more and then we'll get back. So here are the pieces laid out, the sides, and then the back. You can't really see it here. So we'll square it up, screw it together, and you could cut these a couple of ways with your saw like I did, so you can measure it once and then cut it a couple times, or you can just measure it a couple times and cut it once. Whichever way you prefer is good. So let's put this together. So here's the frame together. Here I've trimmed all these edges so the cats don't get poked on there. We'll stretch it across and we'll install the door. Be careful when you're trimming those. Those ends are a little bit sharp. Rest now. So we're going to put hinges for the doors here, door hinges. I've got that in there like that. Saw. And continue later. Alright, here it is, on. I just take that, made a little knob. It's good. Push it in. There, cats are in. Let's set it up. Okay, here it is, all in pieces, all strapped down. We're heading off. Oh, so here we are with the Catio all installed. The Carnelli Catio. So here we have them anchored to the concrete with concrete bolts.